Okay, y'all. We are going on a walk. I just thought I'd film to keep myself accountable because it's summer and a certain friend, Ashley Golder, is not outgoing, so don't start with me, girl. Um, and don't get mad because I'm putting your name out there. She is not available to go on a walk with me anymore because she's got this terrible boyfriend that none of us like. So let's go on a walk, shall we? You like my hair? It's in a braid. In a braid. Look at this hoe. There she is. It's nice and sunny. Look at this, guys. I'll go this way. I don't want to rain into people. Yep, there's she is opening up a stupid cigarette. Trying to not show my address in full, even though it's in Belfast and one of our male caregivers lives not that far away. So show y'all, should I walk around the park? Hate being out of my house sometimes, but I gotta do it. Yeah, because Miss Erica don't realize, I've talked about it before, she did not realize what blessings are in front of her. I'm sure my brother, even though he's been stupid and still not divorcing, that stupid Carrie Rose Damon, Carrie Brown, he even tried to tell her your address, your middle name is Rose, and that she's Rose in in try to tell her her name is Rose, and she um and she wrote me off and told me, oh, no, my name is Carrie Brown. And she's like, oh, you were there at the wedding. And I was like, yeah, because if I spoke up, y'all would try to kill me, especially your fake husband. Oh. What the heck? Anyways, I don't know. Should we walk through the nature park? I just want to see some bunnies. I think the first 2 years we've seen bunnies in 2023 season, and I'm gonna walk through here. I don't know about this car. It looks kind of sketchy. However, not that it looked great. Well, why would you be here? Anyways, I want to see the park now that I've entered. Which way should we go? Should we go up there and see if there's anything? It's not Thursday, so there's not music. Let me know in the comments below, y'all, if y'all want to. Okay. think I might try to walk this whole thing. Oh, okay. I think somebody has something wrong with them over there. There's a tree. Trying not to walk too much, even though I'm trying to get my walking in. I think I'll try to walk just in one big, ginormous circle. So we'll go here and then around and up that way and then back down. Yeah, we'll do that. Because I just took a shower, so my body should not be depleted of water. Yeah. Oh, okay. There's a weird person. My mother. Man, some people need the Lord's healing. Here, this will be the thumbnail. Let's see. That grunting sound is the very possible Down syndrome kid. I don't know. A lot of people need the Lord. Need the Lord to correct them where they're wrong. Yep. Not a lot of 1994 born children like me that can say that. I don't take too many pictures like we did last time. But I'll also try to walk and show y'all where we do the... Here, I'll show y'all the sky. So green here in Oregon. Okay, I lied. I'm taking pictures. I'm gonna try to keep it off people, but my theory is a lot of people look the same. So unless we have Donald Trumps, if someone gonna mess with you, they're gonna get the whoopings. Alright. Oh, here's another dog. Yes, this is a dog park. It's so funny that I walk there. I'm not a dog person. I'd really be. Oh, that's cute. There's a baby passing us. Did y'all see that? Yes, I'm slightly overweight. I'm working it off right now. Look at that huge tree. Green like fire. Maybe Tennessee. Without all the problems, y'all. Even though you can really just spray them away. Although I feel like, wasn't it early last year that there was some kind of tunnel forming to be a very possible tornado in Washington. Y'all people that travel from those states have got to stop being scared and start fighting it off with the power of God. I'm just putting that out there because there's a lot of people from California and honestly just southern states, any state, people just think Oregon is going to save them. Not really. Yeah, I'll show y'all where they do the music every Thursday. Here. There's that. Like a workout thing and then a walkway down in here. Let me see if I can zoom in on that. Oh, it's hot. I like it. I just took a shower. What the heck, bug? The bug just ran into me. Got on the side of my ear. I'll tell you one thing, after growing up watching America's Next Top Model, I like the transfer, the sun and the shade look, because they tried to do a shoot of knowing how to get your light and then knowing how to get your shade. So, yep, got new trash cans, the black right there. I don't know if I remember that, and I definitely don't remember this cement padding. Well, the cement padding, I don't remember it, so that's nice. I'm not keeping a trash can. I think there was one right here or something. Right here. You look at the camera when I talk. Okay, I'm going through the forest. Lord protect me. Well, there's tons of people that walk through here, so you can tell by the path here. Man, I've been bunnies the last 2 years. 2023, 2024. Not seeing any this year. Well, get that hanging down. That piece. Oh, that's pretty. Birdies. Yes, we have we have hawks and eagles here, I believe. Yeah. Hawks and eagles, people. Trying to hold myself back out. And yes, I do get these sort of ideas from Couponing Girl, but yeah, I need a man. And I know that man is from here, and I know y'all people need to be nice about that to me. Let me say it louder. Be nice to me. No. I don't like being loud. I'm not a loud person. Man, there's not a lot of people here over there on summer vacation. Somewhere else in Florida, like me, wants to. I'm scared. Yeah, I'm gonna have to book a plane flight after court proceedings. Although I feel like this terminating the guardianship, after all the information I put in, after all the information that I put in my letter to the judge. I'm trying to walk a little faster because there's a bug surrounding me. Oh, airplane up there. Y'all hear it? I don't think y'all can. We're pretty far away from that airplane. Avi. Oh, there's that sticking out. Oh, bunny. Bro, probably. Walker. down the way. Let's take out up. Gonna get my steps in because Ashley has told me in recent past, kind of in just the past in general, well, you're losing weight. And my first thought is, okay, well, my first thought today was we're going on a walk. See, I'm not gonna worry about people walking by. There's plenty of cameras all over, especially Happy Valley, I think. We live in a camera society, and I have a feeling it's gonna keep going on and keep going on. I almost want to say, is it increase or decrease? I think it's increase. Increase means more and more. Okay. Alright. Let's keep going. See, I don't like putting the camera on myself, like showing all this gorgeousness. So I'm leaving here once the court proceedings are done. The heck? Oh, that's the birdie. I think that's the birdie. I didn't get on camera because they move so quickly. Here, let's switch it to me. I like that photo. I look cute. Oh, look at that. It's growing. Oh, okay. Not. This is all growing in. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Oh, duckies. Duckies. They're over there. Y'all see them? We'll walk closer. Oh, doggy bag. But I'm messing with that. Oh, here we go. What you doing? Trying to get in some water? Go see him. Blend in so doggone well. Come in. Oh, yep, they're moving. There they are. Boom, boom. Okay. Birdies. Bye, duckies. We gonna go. Yeah, that's trash. Oh, there's 3 of them. Oh, there's 2. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, there's freaking 4. Cute. Y'all want to keep watching them? Let's go. Birdies. I'm glad they got. Let me get that close. Sometimes they're just like not really trees. I didn't take pictures of the duckies because I gotta attract people. Oh, he's squeaking. Nah, I got plenty of pictures. I don't know. Cute. Alright, let's keep going. I'm still scared of people being upset. I brought him as a gift. Yep, there's duckies back there. Are we zoomed in or out? Oh, I have to go. There, I like the wires. Pretty. No bunnies yet. If there was a bunny, I'd take a picture of and use that as a thumbnail, but we can't do that, though. Yeah, we live in a picturific society, people. Get used to it. And you quit letting little things like that get to me. It's because people are like, they just try too hard to be annoying. Oh, birdie, you'll see it? Gone. That's me. Lots of birdies, duckies, bunnies. I thought that was some kind of butterfly or something. There's so many freaking flies. Alright, let's put it back on us. And I just don't want people to mess with me. Ow, my hands hurting. Ow. Cramp. My hand was cramping, y'all. But I fixed it. Pretty. Pretty. Oh. Super dupes hot. Oh, you missed the sun. It's hot up there. Yeah, I'll admit, I only gonna miss this just a little bit. Oh, buddies, it's been a long day. Oh, are they sleeping? Oh, little girl and me. I refuse to let go of my youth. Yes, that's linked to my man. You witches. Oh, butterfly. Butterfly girl. Oh, you see that? Did you see that? We have a lot of white butterflies here in Oregon. I've never really seen any other kinds. I guess because they're not my judge. I used to be my mom's best friend's judge, but best friend's favorite. I guess animal, if you will, insect, animal, whatever. Alright. Hard for a while. Oh, that scares the crap out of me. So, okay, let's keep walking. Gonna stay away from, avoid people, because I'll admit people in the state have always something to cry about, and be honest with you. It's the Democrats. Don't come after me on my YouTube channel, or you will be removed and then blocked if you come back. I don't play no games on my YouTube channel. I know I got on YouTube for the views, but Trump Jr. I'm gonna go on Rumble when my wife is on YouTube. So we gotta stand up for our souls. He did that probably because he feels like he doesn't really need the views. Who I got my daddy? Like, I don't know. Pretty. Very green here. Said it before and I'll say it again.
Are you gonna go to Southern, do you think?
Oh, because the ice cream truck. I'll show you that in a little bit. Here in probably like 2 minutes tops. Oh, birdie, you'll see it. Bye-bye. Bye, birdie. So much bell in me, though, to... Hey, y'all hear that? Or am I just supposed to hear that? Wow, that gives my arm a break. Talk about working out. Seriously, man. I'm trying to talk loud because a lot of people tell me I talk soft, but ever since I got on YouTube, no one's ever been like, oh, you talk soft. Y'all see that? Let's see, yeah, right here, next to the sign. This is the ice cream man. Yep, they're always here. Especially here during summer. Ice cream man. I ain't got no money, so y'all don't expect me to buy you anything. Okay, let's go. We're gonna go up. See if they got the water playing, and maybe I'll catch a little bit of it. Oh, you have a golf thing right here? Yeah, that's golf. What the hell? Just to be your brother-in-law, not your boyfriend. I ain't spilling the beans much on that, y'all. And then maybe I'll eat with these. I might be getting a new hair support specialist, but I'm being hella picky this time because I was way too lackadaisical last time. Why are you doing the sprinklers early this morning? Early midday. It's 2:59 in the afternoon. Let's see. No. Oh, whatever. I can't pull up the time. Oh, there the ice cream man comes. You want a little taste of that? Oh, the water. Hopefully people don't go running through it. There's golf courses on the thing. Ice cream man. Yeah, well, my watch says it's 3, so it's pretty touching close to what my phone says. Yeah, I don't want to see my watch. Honestly, not really sure what my mother said of it. I'm not gonna take a picture of that. Damn. Ice cream man going by me. How do you keep... No. Okay, let's work a little faster. It is pretty scorching up here. Let me get no tan. And this is where we had our 4th of July too. And this is where, right through here somewhere, it's where they shot off the what's it called? The fireworks. Man, why did it seem so long to say? Not cool. But yeah. I loved that video. I wish I would have gotten my red phone or charged the other phone. Probably the red phone. Oh, ice cream. Ice cream. Everybody loves ice cream. I need to know, couponing girl, if you can comment down below. That'd be great. Here, I'll put it on me. I think my legs might be getting a little worn out. But, I need to know what app you use to clump your videos together, not photos. To clump your videos together. I know she doesn't just go on and put... I just need to know. And I'm sorry your phone keeps pooping out. If that's the right word. Okay. Cute birthday party I'm passing by. Oh, there's a bench right there. I don't know. I think that's new. I don't know. It's been a little while since I walked through here. song about the past. I don't know, and yes, there are a lot of people here. Yeah, this, here, let me walk a little ways. Yeah, this right here, that's, looks new to me too. Okay. Yeah. Yes, what app, couponing girl do you use to clump your videos together? Because I'd like to be able to do that, you know, especially on days like 4th of July, or maybe just whenever I can do it. Okay. Alright. Oh, there's your baby. There's a splash pad up here. And I'm not gonna really show much of that. Just feel the water like I did over there with sprinklers, even though they were quite a ways away. Phew, it's getting hot, y'all, but I just took a shower, so I should be fine. In case anybody is ever wondering, yes, my name is Antonia Brown. I have Yeshua's Mom as a channel. That was my original dream. And then I have Tonia Barone 3396, and it's so funny that's 96 because that's when my kid was born, Todd Barone and Martha Barone. I don't think y'all telling me the truth. If you are, you need to let Brandon come up to Canby, Oregon. Oh, wow, that splash pad is packed and there's a lot of people here. Okay, I'm just gonna cross through here. Like we have 4th of July still. There's a lot of cats. Oh. Hey, ice cream man, I know you're waiting for me to move along. Splash pad here. So many kids. Oh, it is Thursday. Duh. Yeah, y'all hear that? Oh, but okay, copyright. Just trying. I don't hear any lyrics, so we'll be fine. I want to see how they do the music. It is Thursday. Oh, hello, little kike. That's what they do music. Okay, we're gonna walk past, so don't copyright strike me. Okay, YouTube? We can just walk fast because it doesn't sound like there's any lyrics. They're setting up for this Thursday. It's so interesting they have this here in Oregon. I never knew about it until I came to never knew about this until I came to Happy Valley, Oregon. So, pretty much this home that I live in. So, yeah, I'm walking past it. Maybe I'll come do a little bit of dancing over here. I don't know. I'm kind of not looking for a man, so he probably won't be doing that. I already know who my man is, and he needs to get his life together. Oh, Sarah Esther Otten. That's supposed to be her full name, Sarah Esther Otten. She doesn't realize our men are very oblivious, and really, more importantly, same. And that her husband's younger sister, I believe, she supposed to marry my cousin Brandon Brown. Oh, look at this. I want to show you all this. Hilarious. Look at that. Poop fairy. Please. There's no poop fairy. Please clean up after your pets. Yeah. Duh. Okay. No workout station. I'm glad this isn't copyright music, it's just a beat. No copyright strike here. Oh man. It's a red cup. Let's see, red cup right there. Alright. Now there's this dumb state that I had to move up to in 2009. Well, to find out, Mr. Womanizer, that you know, and that's the thing. I can imagine, and I'm sorry from you, Erica, but apparently I'll never be able to hear it. She acts like God's oblivious to her. I know we moved up here so my brother can marry her. And I think my Nana Judy's death in 2009, September 25th, 2009, really struck him hard because he was always convinced he was going to marry somebody just like her. Her meaning my Nana Judy. So yes, Erica, you be Nana Judy. Oh, the sprinklers stopped. Why do they have golf carts on there? We're not going home. We're not going home through here, y'all. Oh, good. Still filming. Stop sending the vibe out. Stop in the name of Jesus. I just always get this urge to make my video cut out, but ever since I got to this Christian home, everything's gone back to by biblical normalcy. There's that sign again. Poop fairy. You have to be that honest, right, Oregon? You have to be that honest. There be no poop on here. Is a holy Republican thing. Come on. My mom is a Republican and her best friend's a Christian. Get with it, people. That I can at least say that I'm proud of. But other than that, my mother don't like to listen too much. Well, we're heading towards the end here. Somewhere down here is where and they did say, I think it was at the 4th of July, they said Happy Valley, Oregon, one of the fastest growing cities in America. So, probably in America or the world, one of the two. So, yeah, right down behind here, through here. I'll keep walking towards it so I can get a better angle for y'all. But, there, that's better. Grab in your thumb, girl. Oh, hello. I'll just go off the grid here. Oh, he went off too. Yeah, he's not gonna get mad that I'm filming. Like, seriously, get over yourself. Anyways, right over here, little ways past the benches, basically right over here is where I watched the fireworks go up, and that's where y'all saw the fireworks. So, I'm gonna get going home. I don't think there's much else to see or for me to talk about. Junior. Yeah, they're gonna do music tonight. I forget when. And I really am not interested because housemate friend Eric is like, I don't want to go. Oh my god. Makes me wonder. My brother-in-law is the same way. Probably not. Probably not. Alright. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna cut it off here. Bye.